David is playing. Look at him. I'm putting everything here so that he won't go out and he won't bump his head. While I'll do the like this be. I'm going to make the parol. Diba, David? I make parol. So I can work. David is playing. Let's sing for them. Sing this with baby David. I really like this bay. I will use this because it has drawing already or video. It's easier. Final siguro, final song. Pag pinaulit nila. Second voice na lang ako sa kanya. My peace as you are holding me. In the night I will not be afraid. Ay, so sweet. David, are you happy? Sisters went home from school?
And time for David.
Love you, beautiful friend. David, we want to see you. He ate so many today. His appetite is great. We love
He even
you.
wants to eat more.
Ito si ate. Good
That's why
girl.
he's so chubby. He's so chubby.
We love you.
David, you're chubby.
Kiss your baby brother. Kiss. Kiss. Sige, I love you, Day. I love you. One more. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Love you. I love you. Hindi, soup cravings. Kasi lagi na lang tayo nagpipizza. With vegetables. Let's eat. Well, kailangan natin itong linisin, oh. We need to clean them so that they're fresh. And, ayan, I'm cleaning that. For them first here. And then, we'll change everything, even the water. Just, magtitira ako ng half siguro. Or a little bit. Then, new water. 50-50, parang ganun. So that they will be alive. And then, you have to have this, yung oxygen. Tapos, once a day ang kain. Breakfast lang. Pinch. Ayan, mabubuhay na sila. Grabe, linisin natin muna. Okay, be. Malinis na siya. It's so clean. Look. It's done. Galing, be. Masarap naman ang malinis na yung aquarium. Okay. We made it. Ayan. Where are the fish? I can't wait for this baby fish. They're 5. I think they're goldfish, be. Ayun, oh. Mama nila yan, oh. Kasi lumiit na yung tiyan ng goldfish, oh. Saan yung yellow? Ayun.